how to sound like a leader with deep voice. You can see the result in just one day. Step 1. Lie on your back with one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Breathe deeply, allowing your diaphragm, the muscle under your rib cage, to expand rather than your chest. As you inhale, your abdomen should rise and fall. Step 2. Humming and resonance exercises. Hum at a low pitch, feeling the vibration in your chest. Gradually try to lower the pitch while maintaining the hum. Start at a comfortable pitch and then slowly drop down the scale. Benefits. It helps in deepening your voice and creating more resonance in the chest area. Step 3. Pitch glide. Start by humming or speaking at a normal pitch and then glide downward through your vocal range. Try to sustain a lower pitch gradually. Benefits. This helps to stretch your vocal cords and increase their flexibility, which can help in accessing lower pitches. Step 4. Voice box relaxation. Relax your throat and tongue. Make sure your tongue is not too tense, as tension can cause a higher pitched voice. Let your voice come from the chest area, not the throat. Benefits. Relaxing your voice box, larynx, can help you speak in a lower, deeper register. Step 5. Strengthening exercises. Practice speaking or reading aloud in a controlled, lower voice. Record yourself to track your progress. Use varied pitches and try to speak in a way that feels natural but deeper. Benefits. Consistent practice helps in training your vocal cords to speak in a deeper tone. Step 6. Vocal fry exercise. Gently try to produce a fry sound with your voice. This is a low, guttural sound that comes from the chest. You should feel vibrations in your chest when doing this. Benefits. This exercise can strengthen the vocal cords and help you achieve a deeper sound. Step 7. Posture correction. Stand or sit with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and chin slightly tucked. Make sure your neck is aligned with your spine. Benefits. Good posture supports better breath control, which in turn supports a deeper, more resonant voice. Step 8. Posture correction. Drink plenty of water to keep your vocal cords hydrated and in good condition. Rest. Don't strain your voice. Overexerting it can lead to damage. Consistency. Just like any muscle-building exercise, consistent practice is key to improving the depth of your voice over time. These exercises can gradually help lower and deepen your voice as you develop more control and strength in your vocal